Robert, Mike here from Langley Chrysler. Derek wanted me to put together a quick little walk around video for you on this 2024 3500 Laramie Sport. So here we have it. Beautiful truck. A few points of interest. You'll notice the new Sport hood. Love it, super mean looking. We now, of course, have power telescopic mirrors, great for towing. So this is a crew cab short box. Bed utility group with the fifth wheel prep setup. It's that high mount camera for you. What a machine. Love it. So of course it is fully loaded, leather, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof. Got our 12-inch screen, electronic brake controller, exhaust brake, front and rear sensors. Boom, what a truck. Any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Derek, and I hope to seeing you soon.